Right, so we are switching from SuperATV Assassinators, these are 34s with 14-inch rim, to their 36 on a 20-inch rim. I figured the best way to measure this was to look at the ground clearance prior, and then looking after we do the installation. One other thing is this XMR suspension is cranked quite high. If you want to get a shot of where we're at on the top tower, you'll see how far down it is. So this one's already quite high. I think we're going to get about 22 to 24 inches stock. Well, where it's at. Okay, so rear, same thing, 34-inch Assassinators. Stock radius for arms. So let's figure this out. I'm going to say it's 19 inches only because I might be a cheater's game. I'm going to put it right off the lowest point here. And it's not. Looks like the suspension sagged a little bit. I'll give it 18 inches. All right. So, anybody any guesses on the front? Front's a little bit harder to measure up here, but we are at, and you can confirm that's dead center, 21 inches. Cool. Come on. Yeah, so turns out these are definitely not just 2 inches bigger, because my premonition suggests it's probably 4 inches higher than what I expected it was going to be. So I'm going to say it's a combination of, perhaps maybe the suspension hasn't sagged just much, but like I said, there's 5 inches difference in here. So I believe the first measure was 18. Here we go from the same point. Anybody? 24, bang on. So I said 18 and 24.
You're incorrect.
Inches. What?
There's 18 in the back.
Oh, was it? What was it originally?
21.
We gained 3 inches. Yeah, you were. Don't put that on video. So we gained 3 inches. Amazing. Here we go. Back. Same spot as prior. Get her squared. Turned around. What does it say there, Bobby?
21.
21? There we go. 3 inches. They are 3 inches bigger. True to size, and those are at 15 pounds each.
But it looks a lot bigger than 3 inches.
Definitely is.
It looks like 4 or 5 inches.
Yeah. She's big. That's what she said. Right, so just for information's sake, what we decided to do was weigh these 34s on the stock rims. I just kind of want to know what type of wear and tear I'm going to put on my ball joints and axles and whatnot. So let's just get this on here and do the best we can to keep her managed. 79, so it looks like an additional rotating mass of
7 pounds.
Yeah, well 6.2 exactly. So there you go. Very cool.